You're currently in a 50-50 relationship and deep down you feel something's off. You are so right. Something's seriously off. If you're seeing your beautiful friend raising her life on a 50-50 relationship, she's capable of getting the best man in the world, send this video to her, because I can literally save her. You guys being professionally brainwashed on the concept of 50-50 and how normal it is. But I really want you to watch until the end of this video, because my friend, as a dating coach, I've never seen a single woman ending up good in a 50-50 relationship, and I'll explain you why by example. Hello guys, it's Salina again, and I'm so back with another video in order to fix your dating life and relationship matters. I really didn't know this 50-50 concept still exists in 2025. The other day I was at the spa and two girls from England were there, and they said in London all girls be like doing 50-50 and it's very normal. I immediately took my phone and added this topic to the videos that I should record on, but I forgot it. But guess what happened? Yesterday, another client of mine calling me crying. She was in a 50-50 relationship and she didn't want to leave this relationship, so I literally didn't accept her as a client and I didn't let her to pay me any money because I was like, okay, 50-50 is so dangerous, please don't do it. And it was like, it's gonna be okay, in the place I live it's very normal. And yesterday night she called me crying because that the boyfriend cheated on her, but that's not the only problem. They had a common account that they saved money in, and the guy took out the money to give it to the girl he cheated on with, to my client. In overall, in this 3 months that he was cheating on her, he bought so many things for this girl other than this money that the girl needed and asked the guy. And immediately I got back to the moment that I've been told that in London every girl's being 50-50 and everything, and it's so normal. And I was like, wait a minute, I literally forgot to make a video on that because it's super important and it can actually ruin your life. I want you to throw out all these stuff they've been telling you, how normal it is and everything. Just know that by doing 50-50, by helping him with the finances, helping him to make it and get it together, you are literally saving money for his next girl. This is the best case scenario. This is the best case scenario because the scenario I've heard last night was like even worse. The money was spent on the side chick. Best case scenario, you are literally helping him to make it, to save money so he can get his dream girl one day and spend all those money on her. Other than the fact you're raising your life and finances on a dusty man while girls less beautiful than you out there getting their dream life out of these men. Other than that, walking away and letting him go while you see that he's doing all these things he never does for you, for the next girl. He's spending all this money, you let him save to another girl. So many of you guys be stuck in relationships because you already helped him to make it. You already put so much money in this relationship. You're like, okay, if I leave him, now that he's rich, he's gonna spend this money on another girl. You're literally stocking yourself in a cage by doing 50-50. And overall, all human beings are like this, even you. If you spend so much money on a relationship, you can hardly ever leave it. Because you're every time you're okay, this man is so toxic, I should leave. Oh, but he literally bought this house with my help. I've been with him through all these hardships. Now that it pays off, where should I go? And you will stay in a toxic relationship. This is another scenario. I also recently uploaded a video on the matter of cheating, and I told you girls that every time I have a client who got ever cheated on, those who were the receivers in the relationship, they only need to deal with, their traumas and they got hurt. Oh my god, my emotions got hurt and everything, which is a huge thing. We're not gonna make fun of their, pains. But the funny part is when a girl come to me and they all get cheated on. Girls in 50-50 relationships, I'm sorry, but in these 3 years that I'm dealing with it, they all get cheated on somehow because the guy didn't spend so much money, so he doesn't really care if he mess up. And the girl was 80% of the time like talking about how much money she put it on this relationship and how much she regret this and what would happen if she would just let it go or put this money on a business. It would pay off now. But They all regret doing it. They literally paid this guy to do these things wrong, right? At least be a receiver. You know they all gonna mess up somehow. They all gonna mess up in some points, you know. Just be the receiver. Stop doing 50-50. Please, 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 please. By doing 50-50, you will put yourself on a cage you cannot escape from. Will downgrade your value. And always remember, his money is not your money. Don't help him to save that money. Oh my god, no, we should have a savings. Oh my god, no, I'm helping him because he's gonna buy a house and then create a family with him. You have a very fake image, baby. His money is his money. His house is his house. There's no security that you'll stay in his life while he's making it. So see you in the next video.